Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.